everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another DIY tutorial. Today we are going to create Guru Purnima greeting card. First I am creating design using pencil. To create circles, I am using rounder. For coloring, you will need some color pencils. Here I am using some shades of yellow, brown and some orange. Now first I am giving ochre color for base. Now creating outline using dark brown color. Now using brown color, and again doing some shading using dark brown color. Now adding another layer of ochre color. Just using all shades of yellow, ochre and brown. For more darker shadows, I am using black color pencil. Doing some shading using orange color pencil from left side. Now to color the circles, I am using blue color pen brush. If you don't have pen brush, you can use acrylic or poster colors. Now using pink color for remaining circles. and again adding blue in the middle. Now to create design, I am using white color pen. I am creating some mandala designs. You can create any design you want. Now for background, I am using yellow color pencil. And that's how we created beautiful Guru Purnima greeting card. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, bye bye.